Hello students, today I am going to teach you the poem The Rebel. This poem is written by D.J. Enright. The poem Rebel shows the characteristics of a person who is a rebel. This person always does the opposite of what he and she is expected to do. For instance, if others have short hair, the rebel would grow his hair long, and if others have long hair, the rebel cuts his hair short. When others will discuss, the rebel will keep quiet, and when others are quiet, rebel will speak. A rebel would wear uniform when others wear casuals, and he will be seen in casuals when others will be in uniform. So this way he does always the opposite of the others. His likes and dislikes are always distinct from the others. He will require rain when others want sun, and would wish for sun when others would like to have rain. The rebel always does what the others don't want to do. As a result, rebel always becomes a laughing stock. So we should not try to be a rebel, because rebel always find it difficult to make friends. Because who is rebel, generally people will not like that person, and he will be all alone in this beautiful world, and it is difficult for him to make friends also. So but sometimes it is good to have rebels, because rebels raise the voice of protest in the society, and at least there are some persons who have the guts to go against the wrong things. So sometimes it is good to have rebel, but if a person is rebel, it is not good for him, because generally people don't like him, and he will be all alone in this beautiful world, and this world is full of happiness, and only we enjoy this. We can enjoy this only if we walk with it. So we should not be a rebel, but sometimes it is good for our society, because they raise the voice of protest in the society, and they have guts to go against the wrong thing. So this is in this poem, and question answer and all these things you will get in PDF. So rest in the next class. Have a nice day.